Hey guys, thanks for joining us today. Mike here at WeBe Autos. Today we have a 2006 Mercedes SL55. Beautiful car, finished in black, a red interior, sitting on some staggered wheels, really set it off. This car is in exceptional condition. Had the pano roof, key and go. Stunning interior, complemented very well with the black. Pano roof. It's got the pull seats as well. 45,763 miles. Every option. Original owner's manuals. Runs perfect, no issues. Exceptional condition. Well guys, thanks for joining us today. Again, my name is Mike from WeBe Autos. Feel free to give me a call. I'm at 631-339-0399. You can also check out more pictures, information, and detail on our main website, webeautos.com.